Here's your next question. So pause this video and try to solve this on your own. Once you're done solving, resume watching this video. Alright, so let's try to read the problem. X is an integer such that 2 less than x less than 8, which means x lies between 2 and 8 and it is an integer. We are asked to find the perimeter of the triangle with sides of length 2, 8 and x. We know that perimeter is the sum of all the three sides, which means we need to know the value of x to find the answer to this question, right? Now all that we know is x lies between 2 and 8 and x is an integer. Now recall that there is something called triangle inequality which you can make use of to solve this problem here. What is triangle inequality? You take any side of the triangle. Any side of the triangle is going to be lesser than sum of other two sides and it has to be greater than difference between other two sides. So we are interested in finding the value of x. So that's our third side. So x has to be lesser than sum of other two sides, that is 2 plus 8, and it has to be greater than difference between other two sides, that is 8 minus 2, which means x lies between 6 and 10. So x could be 7, 8 and 9. Now notice here that we are given that x is an integer, that is why it can only be 7, 8 or 9. If that information was not given to us, it can even take the value of 6.1, 6.001, anything that lies between 6 and 10. Now because of the constraint x is an integer, the only possible values with this piece of information is 7, 8 or 9. We are also given that x is between 2 and 8, which means x could be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now when you combine these two pieces of information, we know that there is only one value that satisfies both these conditions, that is 7, which means x must be equal to 7. Now perimeter is going to be 2 plus 8 plus 7, that is 17. So the correct answer to this question is option E, 17. Now let's look at a similar question. So try your hands on this problem and once you're done solving, post your solution in the comment section. Happy solving!